guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the month of April 2020 using this kit from PlannerFace. This kit is just a normal map, which is different to what I usually use. So it kind of felt different, but for the most part it was the same. So as usual, I'm going to lay down my base, and I'll come back when I am doing my monthly highlights. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I will be back when I am ready to do the day by day. You're going to see I'm adding on my Monday start strips because my months start on Monday. I don't know about you, but in the UK most of the time our calendar months start on a Monday. So it weirds me out when it's on a Sunday. It doesn't feel right to me. Anyways, you can see my phone there because I need to get the calendar out. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec for the day by day. Okay, let's start with the first, which was on a Thursday. I used a PlannerFace craft sticker to note that we did some Easter crafts, and then I used this emotion sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co to note it was the last day. On to the second, I used a flag and a also paper gal to note that half term had begun. So it was like a lazy day, also paper gal, just to note I was enjoying being lazy. On to the third, I used a Miss Moss binge watch gal to note that we started watching the 100. And then on the fourth, I used a Mixie Cut Stuff pizza sticker to note that we had a pizza night. And then I used a Stick with a Planco mermaid binge watching to note we were binge watching more of the 100. I'm a bit ahead, but I'm going to keep going. On to the 5th, which was the Monday. I used a Valiant to my girl who was sleepy to note that I slept in, and then I used a PlannerFace sheet sticker to note that I was organising my stickers. I think that was my task for this half term, to kind of get all my stickers organised and stuff, which was quite fun if I do say so myself. Yeah. On to the 6th, I used a Coffee Monsters Co. One of the Guardians of Galaxy sticker, I don't remember what his name is, to note watching the Guardians of the Galaxy. And then I used this Paper Shire 3D glasses movie binge watch character to note that I was binging more of the 100. On the 7th, I used a also paper girl doing her hair to note that I did my hair. No, I didn't do my hair. I did do my hair. And then I used a TV icon from Pink Leaf Prints to note that I was watching The Resident. While I was doing my hair, I started watching it. which is usually when I end up finding new shows to watch when I'm doing my hair. On the 8th, I used a value into my camera sticker to note filming videos. I then used a paper shire girl sleeping to note that I was really sleepy this day. Moving on to the 9th, I used a Paper Dolls Co. Hair product hoarding sticker to note that I went to the hair shop and bought some hair stuff, and then I used another Guardians of the Galaxy sticker from Words Are Hard from the Coffee Mrs. Co. to note watching the second movie. I think that was the second was the next in order. And then on the 10th, I used a man sticker from Fox and Pip to note that my husband went out. He was out all day, I think. Yeah. And then I used a Jalen Paper Co. girl with stickers to note I was organising my stickers. You could see I beheaded him as I was putting him down, which was funny. On the 11th, I used a GP Studio, I think that's a cat in a grocery bag sticker to note going to do my food shop. I then used a Coffee Monsters Co. girl with a donut to note I was having lots of snacks that day. On to the 12th, I used a Paper Shire girl again to note binge watching Bones, and then I used a Quran sticker to note that that was the first day of Ramadan began. On the 13th, I used a Zamzam and date sticker to note it was the first day of fasting, and then I used a Once More with Love cooking sticker to note I was doing some meal prepping. On the 14th, I used a Mixie Cat Stuff filming planner sticker to note filming a plan with me, and then an edit sticker to note I was doing lots of editing. On the 15th, I used a Honeybee Shop girl on a laptop to note that it was a big editing day for me. On the 16th, I used this moss sticker from Joy of Planning to note I went to the mosque to pray Jummah during Ramadan, which is good, especially when I don't have work. I always try to. On the 17th, I used a couple sticker from Paper Shire to note it was a lazy day for us. And I then used a Mixie Cat Stuff cat with chicken to note we had some Nando's. On the 18th, I used a Prime Video sticker from Pink Leaf Prints to note that we were watching the 100. Then used a grocery bag sticker from the Once More with Love to note that I went on a Tesco shopping run. I think I did it by myself. On the 19th, I used a Teacher Girl from Cookie Sticker Co. to note that it was back to work. I then used a Joy of Planning sticker with cramps to note that I was not cramps, that was sad to note I was in my feelings. On the 20th, I used a Sweet Ava's paper sticker to note having a Starbucks run, I think. I don't know. Yes. No, I bought lots of fizzy drinks and I was trying them all. And then I used this mask sticker to note we went to the pharmacy. On the 21st, I used a flag and this Whimsical Cat Studio girl to note that I was doing some of my schoolwork. On the 22nd, I used a grocery bag from Sweet Kai Designs and a cooking sticker from Once More with Love to note I did my meal prep. On the 23rd, I used a Paper Shire sticker with a stack of paper to note that it was a long day. I then used a Fox and Cactus girl blowing her nose to note that I was feeling ill. On the 24th, I used this planner sticker from Paper Sheet Plans to note it was a filming day. And then I used a Disney Plus sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. to note watching more Bones. And then on the 25th, I used this Paper Shire sub sticker to note that I got Subway. And then I used the planner sticker to note I was doing some fun planning. On the 26th, I used this Fox and Cactus birthday sticker to note it was my cousin's birthday. I then used a 6 sticker from, what's it called, Sweet Choir Design, to note that I was feeling really ill. On the 27th, I did some layering and I used this huge Jaylin and Brooke sticker to note that I had to go to take my car to the garage. On the 28th, I used this paper shy sticker with a smiling nana to note that I went to collect my car that day. On the 29th, I used a cooking sticker from Evelyn Electric to note that I was cooking in school, in my cooking club. And then on the 30th, I used a paper dolls code planner stack girl to note I was fun planning, and a burger sticker to note I had some bits. So that was the end of this video. I'm going to show you the flip through of what's left of the kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.